What makes a good leader? What leadership qualities matter to the people who follow the leader? I was concerned that we always hear about the great leaders and the amazing qualities they exhibit, but the followers just never seem to get consulted about what matters. I wrote Motivationally Intelligent Leadership, Emerging Research and Opportunities to help leaders like myself learn to collaborate with individuals and teams to find a shared understanding of what it takes to be successful. Motivationally Intelligent Leadership analyzes leadership as a relationship between someone responsible for achieving a goal and those who will do the hardest part of the work. Some will perform willingly and without question, while others may not perform well or may fail to perform. There is often a mix of the willing, the undecided, and the unwilling. The leader's job is to create effective relationships that contribute to goal achievement. Effective leaders make sure they define the roles of each team member, leader, manager, and team member, because there is an understanding that any person might fill any of the roles at one time or another. This movement into other roles can happen for a variety of reasons. It might be actually assigned, as in the case of a promotion, or it could happen as part of problem-solving or training situation. Great leaders find the common benefit to the organization and the person where possible. The leader should also keep in mind that the manager may have the toughest job because of the need to adjust to all roles. Managers must be the glue that holds everyone together. Leaders who are emotionally intelligent recognize and employ their own emotions to achieve effective interactions with their team. This leader delivers the value to each party involved in the process and can achieve buy-in through good information sharing approaches. This book discusses adding a technique called engaged interaction that is characterized by flexible, full-range communications to ensure that all parties listen, hear, and understand. True engagement comes when everyone continues to interact until management and team-building objectives are satisfied. Using emotional intelligence and engaged interaction together improves team communication. Cultivating relationships, assigning roles, and being emotionally intelligent should lead you to defining or refining your leadership style. I want to share my definition of leadership with you. Analysis without bias, momentum without fatigue, and action without discouragement. Analysis without bias is my way of saying that the leader analyzes the way ahead and determines the necessary actions. Leaders analyze the situation by themselves or in a collaborative way, avoiding being limited by preconceived notions or uncontrolled emotion, whether good or bad. Leaders determine what is necessary without caring what the final answer will be, and they keep an open mind throughout the analysis. Avoiding preconceived notions, especially with a group, helps you find new ideas and different viewpoints that will be beneficial. Once you decide which way to go, get going. That's momentum without fatigue. Attack the solution with conviction and create the momentum that will propel you and the team to the project's successful conclusion. There will be challenges and disappointments along the way, but great leaders don't get tired. They keep pushing through the decided course of action. Action without discouragement means choosing the course of action and moving ahead. Always take action to implement the decisions that have been made based on the analysis of the goal and its needs. There will be bumps in the road, but effective leaders don't get discouraged. They commit to the decided course of action and move in that direction. They demonstrate to the team that all of the prior work was necessary and that the results are accurate. If there is a problem, a course correction is always the preferred way of proceeding instead of starting from scratch. Analysis, momentum, and action are important, but so is commitment. Great leaders commit to the task at hand and to supporting their team, bringing passion and drive to every challenge. They draw energy from the difficult, get excited by the impossible, and are undaunted by the unattainable. Great leaders believe in something greater than themselves, seeing the big picture and pursuing large and exciting goals. These are the leadership lessons presented in Motivationally Intelligent Leadership. This book is not just a how-to, it's a plan with resources to help leaders, managers, and team members connect in a meaningful, collaborative way to create a culture focused on partnership and shared vision in a stress-reduced approach. I hope you enjoy the journey.